Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 15th of November, 2018. Today it's going to get interesting. The high temperature is only 34 degrees. Low tonight is 33. This afternoon, probably about the time we release from school, there is a 90% chance of snow and rain. So just be careful if you're a walker. Be careful as you walk home. Make sure you're using crosswalks and check them both ways before you go home or across streets. PBIS expectation for the week has been the cafeteria. Even though we're not in there, we talked about being safe. We talked about being responsible. Now we're going to talk about being respectful. That means that we need to raise our hand in order to leave our table. We need to use kind words and actions in the cafeteria, and then we need to make sure that we're placing trash in the cans. That means just simply reaching back and putting it in the can while people are bringing the cans around. So please make sure you're doing that. Some staff announcements. I don't know why the little green thing's not back there. I'll play with that today. But we have the conferences this week. Also, Miss Joe is bringing lunches to us. It won't be Miss Joe again today. Miss Joe is out, so we will make sure that we do it just nice and smooth, just like we did yesterday. All right, lunches today is going to be bagged lunch. Saw some crunchy baby carrots yesterday. Tomorrow, again, Friday, half day again, more crunchy baby carrots. More of our special announcements. We got the War on Grumbling continuing. I checked today, there was only 2. I'll wait till tomorrow to read the things in our box. But just make sure that you're letting people know that you're thankful. Make sure that you're wearing your wristband around. I know I have mine on. Alright, and then also we're still doing CAW, which is Costumes for Woodrow. So again, you can donate costumes here, or you can donate them at the Raven Cafe. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Alright, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Students, you may be seated. Please just remember, as always, that we do things the Voyager way while we're here at the STEAM Academy at Woodrow Wilson. That means that we are being safe, respectful, and responsible at all times. Please make sure, again, do those things the Voyager way. Be careful walking home today with the weather outside. And as always, go Voyagers!